I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you got.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make cornrow in the simplest way possible. And this video is gonna be a very short video, so you don't have to watch it long until you get it. So the thing, if you don't understand, you can replay the video over and over and over again. So I'm gonna start by removing my hair and combing it. So I'm gonna come back when I've combed my hair. Okay, so now I'm back, and I'm gonna take my comb and part a straight line. Okay, so I'm gonna also part another line.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that I'm done, it's gonna be like a very straight line in the middle. Okay. You're gonna comb it. And then the first thing you're gonna do is to take a piece here, you divide it into 3 parts. 1. I hope you can see properly. Yes, okay, so you take 3 parts. The 3 parts. Then you're gonna go ahead and braid them like you normally do. But while you're going, you take a piece, then you add it. Then you add it. So while you go, a piece, then you add it like that. Like that. Like that. You add a piece while you go. So you add while you go, and you see it's very nice. You add while you go. Obviously your hand will start getting tired. So like this, while you've gotten a hand on it, you just start braiding, because you just start braiding the cornrow. Of course, make sure your hair doesn't tangle in the process, because it can be really painful. It can be really painful. So I hope you can see. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what I just did. And if you couldn't, you can just replay the video over and over and over again until you get it. Until you get what I did. Like this. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked that video. Get to check out, if you want to know how to box braid, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. It's in another video, how to box braid. And yeah, thank you for watching. Check out my Instagram, all social media. I'm gonna link in the description down below. And subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time in the next video.